So I'm trying to show you what I bought.
None of it is.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I hear you.
It wasn't nothing.
None of this is acceptable. They said you got out of the car at 2:12, and it is 3:30 right now.
I don't know how long. I'm as fast as I could, sir. No bullshit. I will not bullshit.
Do you have his mom's number? His phone number's in the iPad.
I mean, what's the problem though?
Date the 25th of May, 2024. Location Beach Police Department, Ohio incident. A 9-year-old child left unattended in a locked vehicle for 78 minutes.
Here, or were you down by his car?
I was walking past his car, past their car.
Okay, and then he got out of the car.
Yeah, he was already out of it.
Oh.
The door was open.
Okay.
Like, he must have just gotten out or something.
Yeah. Okay.
He got out at 14:12. He walked in about the kid. And what time did you?
The first time? Just, I mean, 10 minutes ago.
Pulled in at 14:12.
Got here about 3:15-ish, probably.
Yeah. Okay. All right. You guys are good. Thank you. You're not in trouble, bud. I copy. Security is looking at footage and believes it was around 14:12.
Let's go. This way.
Yep.
Yeah, he doesn't remember anything that he's wearing or nothing.
Yeah, they made contact with me. He's on his way out.
Oh, good.
You know mom's phone number? Okay. So you were really, it was really hot in there, right?
Maybe it's cold out. Colder.
What's going on, man?
I gotta go grab this.
You got to grab what?
I don't want to show it in front of him.
You what?
I don't want to show it in front of him.
Okay, that's fine. Here, buddy, you haven't seen the car real quick. So he was in your car for a long time, he said.
30 minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes. 30 minutes? It's 80 degrees outside right now. The car's not on.
I around right here. He was asleep. I'm not lying to you. See, I'm trying to show you what I bought.
None of it. Okay. None of it is.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I hear you.
It wasn't nothing.
None of this is acceptable. They said you got out of the car at 2:12, and it is 3:30 right now.
I don't know how long. I'm as fast as I could, sir. No bullshit. I will not bullshit.
Do you have his mom's number? His phone number's in the iPad.
I mean, what's the problem though?
You left him in a car. You're likely going to be charged with child endangering.
I am?
Yes.
Sir, can you please don't do that to me?
You cannot leave a child in a car.
It was something quick.
What if he died? It wasn't quick. I know, buddy.
I wasn't on no bullshit.
Listen to me. It wasn't quick. It wasn't quick. Off. The windows are open at an inch, and it's over 80 in the. It's so hot in that car right now. It's totally unacceptable.
I'm a good dad. I'm a good father.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm just saying this is a bad.
I can't have it because I can't have his mom tomorrow. I
hear you.
Can you stop over there, Jesus, please?
Yeah, just have a seat in the car. Yeah, he can sit down.
Because I can't have his mom mad at me with this type of thing going on.
They saw you get out of the car at 2:12. It is 3:30 right now.
Listen, I'm not trying to explain.
Okay.
I don't know how long.
An hour.
I'm rushing. I'm rushing. I'm not lying to you.
These are the circumstances where he could have passed out and died in the car. And you said he was sleeping, right?
He said he wanted to go to sleep. He had his tablet. He had to go to sleep. I said, if you want to go in here, I'm about to run in here and get this. He don't know what it is right now. Cause can I talk to you further this way so he can hear me?
Yeah. Let's go over this way. You just want to stand by the door with him?
Tomorrow, literally. I'm proposing to my girl.
I understand. So that's not his mom?
No, I can't. That's why I said, if this out here, it'll fuck everything, bro.
Again, man. This is not a circumstance where we can make a decision like this. This is going through our bosses. We have to verify everything. First off, you have your ID.
Yes, man. Come on, man.
We have to contact mom. There's no choice. What's the?
You contact mom, I'm still gonna get charged.
Say, are you carrying right now?
No, it's in my car.
Okay, no, that's fine. You have your driver's license.
I ain't doing nothing. I'm trying to carry my car. So even if his mom, like, cause I don't want to get sorry, I don't want her to fuck up. Nothing I got going on, but it's not her.
80 and 64 out.
I know, I hear you.
I wouldn't even brought him. We wouldn't got a haircut. I'm rushing. I wouldn't even brought him. Like, that's why I didn't want to bring him.
What's a good phone number for you, Daniel?
216-386-6045.
Oh, I need a tow here.
So you talking to his mom, what is that going to do? Like, you still in charge of me?
Again, we don't know where we're at right now. We got to contact our supervisor to determine. He's coming down here. He's on his way here now. Okay, he's coming down.
Can I tell him what's going on before I call him?
That's fine. We haven't made any phone calls yet. 20 minutes ago when we were standing here. Do you have mom's number?
Yeah. Can I call her first, though? Because I don't want her to mess up.
You can advise her, but we need to make contact with her.
Okay. I don't want her to mess nothing up.
Give us a spot up here, please.
You should have just timed with me.
Are they here with us? No.
I can tell them what's going on. You get what I'm not. I promise I won't.
Listen,
it just took a little longer to just. I promise.
You feel how to just standing right here. You know what I mean?
Because I'm actually missing the event. That's part of this. What's gonna throw everything off.
Right. So we got to hang out right here. My boss is coming down. We're gonna explain everything to him. We're more than likely gonna run this past our prosecutor. Okay.
Well, again, you can let her know what's going on, but we're gonna have to talk to her.
Hello. Yeah, so I came to the mall to run in here and grab something. DJ wanted to stay in the car. Somebody said DJ was in there for a long time.
He got out of the car because he was so hot in there, and he stopped and found a random adult. And they called us.
I'm at the mall. He wanted to stay in the car because I was running in. DJ, now somebody contacted the police because DJ got, they saying DJ got out the car. DJ crying because he said that's my dad. So I'm telling them that ain't no child neglect. I talked to you.
Miss Larkin, this is Officer Martell of the Beacon Police Department. How you doing, ma'am?
Listen, we're not saying you're a bad dad, but this is a choice that was made right now, and we're dealing with that choice that was made right now. Okay?
Just started a job.
Yeah. Okay. I hear you. Okay. At the jail?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. Yeah. He's going to come over here. He's going to come over here. I know you don't want to talk in front of your son. I get that.
He wasn't even supposed to know.
Hello. So, real quick, let me just explain to him what we know, and then you'll be able to, okay? There's a white Infiniti hatchback right there. You can see it sticking out. That's where the child was, okay? He got out of the car and just waved down a woman that was walking by. Said, "I'm looking for my dad. I've been in here a long time." That's what he said. They checked their cameras. He got out. He parked at 1412. Got out of the car. Walked in. I got to look and see what time we got the call.
Okay. It's about 10 minutes ago or so.
Yeah. So the car's locked now. I don't know if it locked when he jumped out of it.
Yeah, I locked it.
The windows are down about yay.
Okay.
And it's not on. So, and he's 9 years old. So that's where we're at right now. So,
yeah, go
ahead.
So, I'm not, his mama's on the phone. Give me a second, tell me this. I'm not with his mom. I ran in here.
Okay.
I don't know bullshit. I ran in the police after that car.
Okay.
I wasn't looks like I told him, he's being charged. I just started counting my bag. So
what's in the car?
My bag is in the car.
For what?
I don't want nothing to mess up. Nothing.
Where do you work?
I work downtown.
For the sheriff's office? Yes. You're a deputy or corrections?
Corrections. All this is because I wanted to grab this. I'm literally about to phone. I can show you on my phone.
Yeah.
No bullshit.
I mean, I know, but the problem that we're having is just the time frame of everything. And the kid got out of the car and he's concerned.
He's okay. He's in the back seat. He's just sitting right there in my car.
Yeah, come on.
So
look at him. He looks. That's my boy, man.
I'm not going to deny it. All right. So I hear what you're saying. All right. But we just got to deal with the decision that was made. You see what I'm saying? All right.
He had his tablet, and I told him to call. I don't know why he didn't call me.
What's that?
He had his tablet in the car.
Yeah, there was a tablet in it. I saw that.
I don't know why he didn't call me.
Yeah, I think Shane got it. Shane, you
I was moving as fast as I could.
I wrote down their info. Yeah.
Okay. His mom knew I would. His mom. That's why. He's not even together.
I know. That's what you said.
He's married too. I'm going to take myself. That's why I ran in there like that. This should have just fine. I didn't think they would take that long with the rent. That's why that's what I'm saying. I'm standing there waiting. Then in the meantime, waiting, I walked in. Tried calling me and answered. His mom, he don't know about his dogs.
Yeah, that's fine. I hear you. Yeah, from now on, I just bring him in with you. I know you're trying to do something, or leave him at home with a responsible adult.
We can look at him. He just got here because I ain't no bullshit. All this is for that.
Yeah, I hear you.
I would never be on no bullshit when it comes to him. Trust me.
All right. Dude, the kid's saying he felt he was kidnapped.
Yeah.
He said he had no way to communicate. He kept trying to text him, but he didn't know he wasn't on Wi-Fi.
Oh,
so
yeah, he's
out
there.
with nothing to communicate.
Okay.
He said he was in it for a long period of time, then he was getting really scared. I mean, he's saying everything that's...
Yeah.
I mean, that's carrying a child in danger. I mean, I would think 9 is... But not if he's that concerned and scared. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and I mean, he was in there for an hour. The dad said he was getting ready to go to sleep, so if he falls asleep in the car, that's not on him. He said it's in the car.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do. We can't treat him different to the correction officer.
No, I know. I'm not worried about that. I'm just...
So we're going to have you take him back.
Okay.
He'll do the report and stuff. He'll be here to turn him over to Mom, and you can just have with the charges and stuff. But I'll have him do the report.
Do the report. I'll do the charges.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I'm going to get him a water real quick.
I'll have you do...
don't want him.
When Mom gets here, just ask Mom again if she wants to do that.
So where is? Can we put him in
So you do
Martell's car?
You do the, yes.
Okay.
You do the report.
What do you mean, my car? Oh, okay.
All the way around. Why don't you bring it over here?
Okay.
You're gonna.
No, you'll walk him over there because I don't want to. I don't want to hook him up in front of his.
I know.
So where's the water at?
They have some inside.
All right. We're gonna be taking that.
Yeah. Gotcha.
But we're gonna have him go to that other car over there so he doesn't see him.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, just hang out.
And wait now or now?
Just until we hook him up. What's up?
What's going on?
All right. You got everything in this bag?
Yeah.
You're gonna be coming back with us. Yeah. All right, man. For child endangerment. Yeah, I'm dead serious. Yeah. So here.
Yeah, we have these all the time. We can't treat anybody differently based on all the circumstances. Based on all the
Keep your arms back here. All right.
The one that's the mom? Yeah, Mom's gonna come here.
No, ma'am. Listen.
No, that's okay. No, so listen. So you'll get plenty of phone calls when you get back to the city.
I have to be in there for the next 2 days?
No. We'll try and get you. We'll call the judge.
I'm gonna put 2 sets on you. All right.
I'm gonna call the judge. I'm gonna call the judge as soon as we try and get you bond today. Yes. We're not. We don't have to. You don't have to see nobody, but we have to talk to her to see if she wants to get you.
I'm trying not to pinch you.
Just get her personal. So she might have a money bond or we'll have to see. Here's his.
The judge is going to be there?
No, I can call him. They'll pick up. Yeah.
Dave,
I'll call the judge.
His mom, though. I'm not.
I get it. I'm not. We're not saying. So these situations.
We got this mail address here.
We've had
Child
probably
endangerment.
5 of these, and we can't. You know what I mean? And based on he's saying how he was scared. He thought he was kidnapped. He had no way to communicate with nobody. It was hot in there.
Sure, just kind of, I literally asked him.
I mean, if he had like a yeah, but he said he couldn't communicate with it because no Wi-Fi.
If I would have brought him in if I known. I told him to call me.
I hear you, man. All right. So listen, you're in custody now. You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. If you begin to make a statement, you may stop at any time. Any statement you do make can be used against you in a court of law. Before making any statement or at any time thereafter, you have the constitutional right to the aid of an attorney and to have an attorney with you during questioning now or in the future. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
All right.
Your weapon's in your car, right? Okay.
I don't know.
All right.
You guys know his car's
I gotta get everything out of your pocket. Sorry, man.
that white one over.
SUV. It was locked, so.
I'll put it on the side.
It's concealed and everything. Was a gun in it with the kid?
I was in the car.
It's in the car.
How was it in the car?
Lift your arms back just a little bit. There you go.
I had one even.
Just spread your legs for me. Spread your legs for me.
I have no idea. Yeah, I'm not sure.
All right. Go ahead and have a seat. Just watch your head getting in, okay? I gotta grab this.
Every perfect weekend. So I promise you I'm not a threat. I promise you.
This is policy. I gotta put the seatbelt on.
I ain't even.
And everything I'm doing, you know what's going on. Everything right now is policy and procedure.
Take him over to his car so we can get that out of the car. See where it's at.
Thank you.
He's got the keys.
You think he's going to tell all that?
Yeah. He's got to run by everything that happened here.
Like, I would not lie to you. I promise to God on my life.
I hear you. Listen, I'm not here to judge. I'm not judging. This is what we got to do right now. And we got to deal with that decision that was made. That's all. All right. And we have your permission to go in the car and get that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Said it was in the. Yeah, there it is. Jeez, oh man.
Okay. Audio or video on?
Oh yeah.
It's loaded. Mag.
Not one in the chamber.
No in the chamber, but it's technically loaded.
I mean, yeah, the magazine is, but there was not one in the chamber. Yep.
Okay. I'll relay all this to.
Lesson 1: Miranda timing in child welfare cases. Law enforcement must identify the precise moment an encounter transitions from investigative questioning to custodial interrogation. When officers communicate an intent to charge, Miranda warnings should be administered immediately to protect evidentiary integrity. Lesson 2: Parental duty cannot be delegated to a child, regardless of the child's age, stated preferences, or apparent capability. A parent cannot transfer their legal duty of care to a minor who lacks the capacity to protect themselves. Ohio courts have consistently applied this standard without exception. Lesson 3: Science establishes legal risk independent of outcome. The absence of actual injury does not mean the law was not violated. Prosecutions under 2919.22 succeed when substantial risk is proven. Heat science data from NHTSA is treated as objective evidence of that risk and has been accepted in Ohio child endangerment proceedings. Lesson 4: Professional status provides no legal shield. Off-duty law enforcement officers are subject to the same criminal statutes as any other citizen in their capacity as a parent or guardian. Equal protection principles require consistent application of the law. Favorable treatment based on employment constitutes a constitutional violation. Conclusion: the statutory elements of Ohio Revised Code 2919.22 subsection A are established parental status confirmed child under 18 duty of care, violated substantial risk to health and safety documented through physical evidence, scientific data, security footage, and the child's own testimony. The primary legal vulnerability for the prosecution remains the pre-Miranda statements made during the 1-minute investigative phase. Defense counsel will likely file a motion to suppress those statements. The physical and testimonial evidence independent of those statements remains strong and admissible.